breaking news from the Michigan State House.
Lawmakers passed a bill overnight to lower your auto insurance rates, and the debate lasted well into the early morning hours.
And that sets up a possible showdown with the governor.
7 Action News reporter Matthew Smith is live in Southfield breaking it all down. And Matt, so the State House passed this bill. What's the next step?
Well, the next step is for this bill to go back to Senate. That's where it originated. Changes were made in the House. But the question is, will this be enough change for the governor to step back from her choice to veto this? She was talking about it as recently as the beginning of the week. Will the changes that were made overnight change that? That's what we have to wait. And there are a lot of big changes in this bill. Keep in mind, it is now 82 pages long. An amendment was used that makes a big change, though. And this is specifically to stop setting levels of your insurance rate based on your zip code or also your credit rating.
There are 61 aye votes and 49 nay votes.
A majority of the members elected and serving having voted their
changes. The negotiations lasted hours. We're talking hour after hour on the House floor, people going back and forth and state reps digging in and taking sides. Almost everyone agrees that change is needed here. That much seems obvious, but how to change it? That's really at the heart of the debate here. Now, the bill passed overnight essentially caps the personal injury protection if you opt in to pay a lower amount. But what exactly does that mean? Well, this bill we're talking about, it lowers how much you're paying the insurance company, but it also caps how much they'd pay you in the event of an accident. Democrats argue this cuts the cost, but risks cutting the care that injured car crash victims need. Republicans say this is the best way to reduce overall rates.
Let my people go. Get us out of this system that we want out of. We want to get out of it. And just give people a choice. That's why this bill is a wonderful way out.
This cuts care for everybody. There is no guarantee that we will see rate reduction.
Now, one of the biggest things that this is going to change is how much you pay. I mentioned that the original estimates that we're hearing back are cutting your rates per year anywhere between $120 and $1,200. The question is, how does the governor weigh in on this now? We've seen Democrats on the House floor overnight, well into 2 o'clock this morning, arguing that this isn't the way to do it. But we saw this go ahead. It was approved. Again, the next step back to the Senate, and if it passes there, it lands on the governor's desk. That's why we say there is a potential showdown here, and this could change everything for the next 5 years of what we pay for auto insurance. We're live this morning in Southfield. Matthew Smith, 7 Action News.
We'll see what the lawmakers hammer out in the end. All right. Thank you very much, Matthew.